got these as a gift, as a Christmas gift, and I'm so
Hey my kings and queens, it's your girl Bamavana RN. I'm in my bathroom, so y'all know what it's gonna be. It is going to be a hair video, hair wash day video. But first of all, let me just say this. Thanks to so many of y'all who are subscribing to my YouTube channel. So I have to formally introduce myself. Hey y'all, my kings and queens, I'm Bahamavana RN. Thanks for joining me. Okay, thanks for joining my channel, my little family. Y'all are my kings and queens, okay? Don't forget that. It's going to be a hair wash day video, y'all. I got some new products, and let me tell you, who don't like new things? Who don't like new things? Let me know. So I got some new hair products from the doux. Y'all, I got so many stuff. I got the shampoo, the conditioner, the foam. I got the works, okay? But today, I think I'm only going to be using the shampoo, the conditioner, the shampoo, and the moisture hair mask, okay? So if you're interested in seeing how I use these products and how I feel about them, continue watching. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all, I got these as a gift, as a Christmas gift, and I'm so excited to try these. Hey kings and queens, okay, so before doing anything to my hair, whether it's shampooing, conditioning my hair, or applying a deep conditioner, I make sure that my hair is saturated with water. So if you've been with me for a while, you would notice that it takes a while for my hair to become fully saturated with water. So this is what I'm doing here. Like I said, it took me a minute, okay? So make sure that your hair is fully saturated with water. So the shampoo that I'm using today is the doux Be Girl Collection Ladies First Supercharged Honey Moisture Retention Shampoo. This shampoo contains vitamins B, C, and E along with silk amino acids and aloe. One thing that I've noticed immediately from using this shampoo is the fact that my hair did not feel stripped of moisture. So yeah, this is the shampoo that I'm using. Now this shampoo also helps with the softness and the shine. Yeah, the shine was amazing, and this is something that I noticed immediately from using this shampoo. So after washing out the shampoo out of my hair, I then went in with the doux Be Girl Collection Supersonic Supercharged Honey Moisture Retention Conditioner. Now with this conditioner, you actually get 3 in 1. So you could actually use this conditioner as a pre-poo, as a leave-in conditioner, or as a conditioner where you rinse it out. So in this wash day, I decided to keep the conditioner on for about 10 minutes or so, then rinse it out. But one thing that I noticed immediately from using this conditioner, the detangling process was so much easier. And if you have natural hair, you know detangling your hair could be a bit challenging. But this conditioner really helped to penetrate the moisture, and it helped the conditioning process to be much easier. Like I said, I kept this on for about 10 minutes or so, then I rinsed it out.
Now it's time for the fun part. Applying any mask to my hair, whether it is a moisture mask or a protein mask, is just so satisfying for me. So I'm using the doux Be Girl Collection Honey Moisture Mask. Now this mask helps to restore the condition of the hair and scalp. It also helps to hydrate the curls and the cuticle layer, and it also improves the texture, reduces frictions, and it basically brings back the elasticity and prevent breakage in your hair. It contains again vitamins B, C, and E, silk amino acids, and aloe. So the instruction said to massage into your scalp, into your hair once it's clean on soaking wet hair. You want to detangle and allow the product to sit for 15 to 30 minutes, and that is exactly what I did. So if you want to have a more intense treatment, you could actually sit under a hair steamer. After sitting under the steamer or applying your plastic cap, you would then rinse thoroughly. Again, this product really helped to bring the moisture back into my hair. So after I rinsed out this product, then I went on to protective styling my natural hair.
Hey y'all, so after putting on my hair mask, I left that on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I am back. The hair mask is out and my hair is all prepped for my next protective style. So check out the next video. I will be doing mini twists. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.